Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my Let's Play of Crusader Kings 2, where we're going to mend the Great Schism. Honestly, eventually we will do. In the meantime, we're marching the troops over here. I'm going to have my retinue and my Varangian guards in position, ready for the start of the war. A son was born to... Oh, he's just a courtier. I was going to say, wait, if he's one of mine, why don't I get his name? Create a title. My father managed to create the duchy title, yes! I was hoping you'd do that, mate. Let's see. So yeah, that's a nice little duchy now. Can I transfer this guy who doesn't like me under him? Well, he does like me, actually. Syracusia. Transfer vassalage. You. There you go, father. Have the complete duchy. Once you guys arrive, yep, merge up. Declare war on you. That's bigger. I need Antioch. I need the county of Antioch, though. In the meantime, I just want to get my border pushed back and avoid having the huge rebel that has been lining itself up since I went to high crown authority. How many of these guys are joining the war? Not many so far. I think now we just come and sit on his capital. Make an example of them, or let's see, what do we get? Opinion goes up, captain's opinion goes down. Or do that and lose piety? No, yeah, make an example of them. Really, only 300 people there? Quick siege it. Only 700 people there? Quick siege it. 800. Let's bring some friends. And then quick siege it. Hello, Ranger! Let's see, a famous chronicler. I could gain humble, or I could gain prestige and lose money. Still not quite at 2,000 prestige. So let's do that. Hopefully I don't gain proud. See, a rise, it should be enough for a quick siege. Go on. And again. 75%. Brilliant. My lords, in harmony, I have discovered a plot where... on the Kingdom of Sicily. Tiny little doge there, and you want to claim on the Kingdom of Sicily. End your plot. Thank you. I could understand my father wanting the Kingdom of Sicily down here. Because, you know, he has the island of Sicily. And he has a lot of power. Good, thank you. Can we capture them? Thank you. 93, not enough. Although, possibly if we just quick siege here, it will be. Oh no, don't kill me. Yeah, 100%. Offer peace. Enforce demands. Brilliant. And I'll be paused while I sort this out. And not in the quite fully way that I used to. And undo you. Let's create myself another duke there. Mending this great schism is far too common. I asked people what they wanted to see. This was one of the things. Let's see. Find characters. Currently a ruler, no. Right, you. Grant a landed title. Let's start off with Tratos. Include the lower. Grant a landed title. Grant landed title. Still need to give 2 of these away. Obviously include below us. Grant landed title. There we go. It's me back down to my 7. My troops are nicely here. Who are you at war with? Or who are you losing your war to? Armenia? Oh, I have levies raised, don't I? Damn it. Stand you guys down. See, I would love to have gone for Antioch, because this is the guy who owns Antioch itself, but he literally has all of that duchy. And I think after taking that away from him, we might be able to kill him anyway. Why not do a great jihad and then get my child down for promoting Islam? Let's see. A jihad's just a great jihad is just meaning great struggle, so you could argue if it was a hard game, then it is a great struggle. And we're looking at a few more people here than what there was before. There's no troops to raise in the territory I've just got. Let's calling some dukes from around the area. To help out, and then we'll probably just quick siege. For a duke, 200 troops, you're pathetic. It's probably because you don't like me, not because you don't have many troops like, but still. Okay, they're getting him away, but actually all of them arrived before they got him away. That's fine then. We'll let this one slow siege out because it's basically already done now. Doge of Sicily dies of stress. That makes me the Doge of Sicily, doesn't it? So it makes all you guys independent. You are my half-brother. And you despise me. You're also my half-brother, and you don't despise me. Okay. Well, we have too much land, so grant a landed title to the little boy. Include lower. Grant landed title. Duchy of Sicily. Include lower. There we go. New Duke of Sicily, my half-brother. He's a 2-year-old. I don't know how long he's going to keep this, being that my other half-brother, who's 37... That half-brother is still a Macedon, isn't he? Yeah, good. Come on, just fall down already, and then I can start sieging the other things quickly. Good, I'm no longer ill. I'm still possessed, though, I believe. Quick siege. And... that daughter, my half-sister, is FUK Ghost. It's the first time I actually haven't seen him messaging, so... He got so close beforehand, and we already had a Joseph, so... I lose the trait Deceitful, so I think it's only fair. He came second so many times that we've given him the chance to actually just have it out right now. The victory, 29%. Salt. Does my Born in the Purple Sun... Oh yeah, he's marrying the maid. Well, she's chaste. That probably wasn't that oh, and celibate. Hopefully the events still fire when you get your son to marry them. Let's kill that little stack there, because you get so much more war score for killing people, or it seems to. It seems to end the war so much quicker when you actually get to fight. Now do a quick siege. No, it's going quick enough. Actually. Let the siege fall, and then we'll go fight him, and that should be more than enough. It's fallen. Where did my army go? Still, we have to move. Oh, there it is. Years later. With time, everything becomes normal. Oh, so that's basically the end of the Joan of Arc things then. Enforced demands, yes. Got land to give away. No dukes over here yet. I don't get the duchy title when I holy war, do I? No. It's fine with me. Hopefully one of them will become powerful enough to do it themselves. The straw poll said I have to sing. However, it's when Tristan holds a live podcast for us. Let's see. We need some land to give away, so we need to find characters again. Ruler, no. We're running out of good stewards. To be honest, as we get closer and closer into the Holy Land, we might end up going for more military people anyway. Grant a landed title. Grant landed title. I think that's the last one. Takes me back down to my 7, yes. Who's to declare war on next? I think it's you, little boy. I have troops raised, so we drop them. Little boy. Holy war for Aleppo, and you basically have the whole duchy again. Oh, stretch. And, yeah, just get straight in, I guess. Do we still have... Oh, you hold down, triple I or... as well. Yeah, but we definitely have a truce with you. Can we kill you? No. So we'll have to wait for truce to end just itself there. Usurped, created. Come on, just... 10-1. We can siege it. Lose 400 gold. Gain prestige. Chance of gaining learning. Risk it for gaining learning. Quick siege it. Quick siege it. Quick siege it. Quick siege it. Actually, that's a bit big to quick siege. Give him chance. Really? Have I got to a point where we already have better people already again? Point replacing an 18 with a 19. That's fine with me. Replacing a 20 with a 33, of course. Getting a 20 in here. You're a duke with a 20, though, so you're better. 17 with a 15. No, we keep you. And we keep you. But really, we sort of need to be looking at maybe getting another high intrigue or a high learning person in the next. Shaman, if you mean me, I really don't know what I'm supposed to have done. My vassal. I know he's my vassal, but I want you to raise his troops. You had a reasonable number as well, didn't you? Yeah. You two come down, and then I'll feel happier sieging. Happier sieging once we have a better number. Come down here, 30%. Still haven't really seen anyone. Oh, for Christ's sake, I was happy sieging, and then, we end up getting to a place where there's even more people. Come down here. Come here. Okay, I'm only asking of my dukes. The dukes can only manage to give me 200, though. The occasional 400, it's obviously. A man is starting to think that elephant might... Oh! Of course, make a move. It's good to be the Basilicus. I missed my chance of becoming the Basilicus in Mine and Joe's multiplayer. So it's quite good to be the Basilicus now. Merge up. Let that one rot. Merge up. It's going to fall itself. There's no point in quick sieging this one because it's going quick enough. And then 20 to 1, yeah, we quick siege it. 10 to 1, we quick siege it. Still only 50 odd %, so I guess we keep moving and ignoring the Abbasid army. And just quick siege things down. We can siege a lot quicker than they can, so we should get up to the 100%, and if not, we can maybe encourage them to come fight us somewhere else. Come on. Fight me! Oh, I get 100%, and then your unsieging never even happens. Sounds good to me. Land to give away. This goes so much quicker than our little wars in Sicily. It might be because I'm now playing on speed 5, though. Let's give these ones away to very learned people. Get ourselves a new head churchy person. I shouldn't still have baronies and bishop. Oh, because I didn't give away this stuff. There we go. Now if I go to find the characters, grant a landed title, County of Aleppo, include the lowers. Include the lowers. County, include low. Still 2 to give away. Let's just reset this and make sure I don't double up on anyone. And the last one. There we go. How are your children doing, Tristan? Oh, my children? Gonna be married to the King of Bulgaria eventually. Princess of Italy. A celibate lady. Didn't think that through. Oh, Josephine needs a husband. King of Hungary. King of Hungary. Can maybe get it away with you. How old is Josephine? She's 9. You're 8. Arrange a betrothal, matrilineal to Josephine. No. Oh, must not marry an infidel. Yeah, damn it. Sorry, I forgot about Hungary being infidelic. Burgundy's free. Bavaria. Aquitaine. 0-year-old's a bit young. Arrange betrothal. Josephine. Too high in the line of succession. I want to try and get you a matrilineal marriage and get someone on one of these thrones. You're definitely too high in the line of succession. There is struggling. Asturias? I said no. Are there any real big kingdoms? I think instead... Oh wait, actually Croatia, because I'm going to need to eat Croatia. How old's this kid? 1. 2. The 1-year-old's at least not trusting. matrilineal marriage to a nobody. We should get a strong claim on Croatia, and then we'll bring him into the family that way. Did anyone else need husbands? Dryland does. Maybe do a similar thing for Slavonia with Dryland? Arrange a betrothal. No, there's not enough kids there yet. How about for you? Arrange a betrothal to Dryland. Matrilineal, yeah. Okay. So you two will expand the borders yourselves. And we'll put Macedons on the throne eventually as well. Happy with that? Oh, and Tristan the Bastard. Slovenia actually had a daughter. Will you marry the bastard? You will. So that's what we're doing with the kids. We're gonna eat the Slavs through marriage. What duchies do you control? Oh, I have levies raised, don't I? Stand you guys down. Can I get any more retinue? I can. It's gonna be another 1,000 eventually. Ooh, rebels, please win. Actually, Holy War for Antioch. Run over there, that's one thing we need. I've decided to accept. Decided to accept. And the third one decided to accept. Let's see. Can I do this before they end it? Be paused. What's this? Oh, that's a Bulgarian one. Yeah, I finally have the alliance. Yeah, we'll accept that. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, that is all the time we have for today. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, but unfortunately, I'm going to have to say goodbye. Goodbye.